So just pulled this 2015 Duramax into nice warm shop to have a look at it here after a few days of traveling the snowy roads. Now, again, point out some things where I think an EV will outperform these typical diesels and gas trucks in this kind of weather condition. All over here looks fine and works well. So once we get underneath where I think an EV will outperform the typical trucks here. So as we get under here, see all the nice ice buildup from all the snow getting splashed on the nice warm components under here. Where it's really starting to get me issues is trying to put the truck in park and neutral and drive. The shift cable's getting bound up with ice. So I'll let that thaw out here for a while and then probably crawl under it and bash that ice off from there once it starts to release the grip from the truck. You can see it's already starting to fall off from underneath. Again, not much buildup on the outside that affects how trucks perform, but see, fills the brakes right up. But again, an EV will have the same issues in the winter because they have the same kind of braking system, and with the cold weather, we all know regen is affected by it, but mainly under here. Big, nice block of ice there all around the transfer case. You can hardly even see it under there. So, yeah, let it thaw out, and oh yeah, there's the hole in the fuel tank skid plate, which won't have to worry about with an EV either because there's no fuel tank on it. Have yourselves a wonderful snowy day. Enjoy.